Hey guys, Sean from Invest to Live here. Today I want to talk very quickly about the idea of how you research REITs. There's been a ton of interest, especially with the recent downturn in pricing, to jump into things like REITs, which are real estate investment trusts. The idea here is that they typically provide strong recurring income via dividends, and they're also tax advantage from the company perspective. So this is a reason people are getting really interested in this right now. But what I'm also seeing is sort of a lack of understanding of how to research these in the way that you maybe do differently than a regular stock for a retail company or a different type of company. So I just thought maybe I'd take a few minutes today and talk about this. So first and foremost, if you can see this, I'm actually a member of NAREIT, which is the National Association of Real Estate Investment Trusts. And you should always check that out on REIT.com. That's where you should really start to do some of your research on getting into REITs. And really what I want to say is this: take advantage of the information that's available before you jump in and start assuming you're going to be able to get this flow of income, because things are tough right now. We don't know what the future looks like from a real estate perspective. So it's really important that you understand what you're putting your money into, what that long-term trend could look like from a real estate perspective, especially with commercial real estate. So I just want to talk through a few of the things that I do quickly here. And I will do an extensive video on commercial real estate, an extensive video on how to really get into the layers of research, but a few things you should think about right off the bat. If you see a REIT that you think you like because it's got a great yield, or you hear a lot of people talking about it, especially in the comment section on YouTube, here's the first thing you want to do. Go to their website. See if there's anything posted around company goals, company mission, and then start to look through the investor relations section and understand any recent filings they have, or if there's anything new or any news about the company. This is a great place you should start anytime you invest, but especially right now where things are a bit unstable and there could be notes to shareholders that you don't know about. Secondly, go to Google, Yahoo, wherever you like to do your search. Type in the company name and go to news and see if there's any news about the company, anything going on, good or bad. This is something you should have set up anyways if you're doing any kind of investing for any kind of company across the board. But again, especially with REITs, because as the unemployment rate is going up right now and more folks are in a position where they need to find income anywhere they can, it's going to start to affect rents. And it flows through from commercial to residential and back up to the REITs very quickly. But the problem is you don't typically hear about it till a few months after the first initial recession starts, if we are in one at all, and who really wants to say nowadays. So that's two things real quick, right? REIT.com for a generic sense of the real estate investment trust market. Go to the company website, see what they have posted, and go to a search engine to look for current news. Now, the last and final thing, real quick, and this is just meant to be, what you should do anyways when you're investing your money, but particularly with REITs. Go ahead and pick up the phone and see if they have any locations with a phone number. Especially residential REITs will typically have them all listed on their website. You can typically drill into each one, and you can then call a number and speak to someone who's there and just inquire in general about vacancy rates. Are there a lot of apartments available? What are the prices going for? Are they running specials? And what you're listening to is there's a lot of openings, prices are being cut, they're offering some kind of special to get you in there. Maybe it's a move-in special, maybe it's no rent for the first month or half month. This is sort of all just indicators that they're looking, that they're looking to get people in as fast as possible. So that's really it. This is a super, super short video today, but please think about this. Put your money where you've done your research so that you know and you feel comfortable about what you're about to do. Simply looking at dividend yield and reading comments on YouTube is not researching stocks or investments, okay? So again, take a few minutes. You don't rent an apartment without seeing it. You don't buy a house without going inside. You test drive a car before you buy it. This is your money. This is your future. This is your income. This is your retirement. I don't care if you're 18 and it's the first time you've ever done it, or if you're 65 and getting ready for retirement. Do your research, do it in the simplest way possible, but still be thorough. That's all I have for today. Thanks a lot as always. Bye.